are going to expose Congress's hypocrisy when it comes to their stand on the Pahalgam terror attack. Standing in Srinagar, Rahul Gandhi had said that his party will totally support the government. But today, the political discourse has fallen so low that even a terror attack is being politicized by the grand old party. From rejecting the survivors' testimonies to demanding talks with Pakistan to batting for restoration of the Indus Water Treaty, Congress leaders have crossed the boundaries of absurdity. Yet, all that the Congress leadership has done till now is distance itself from the Commons. No action, no strong condemnation. And now the Congress party is pretending to be the flag bearer of justice for the Pahalgam victims. Rahul Gandhi and Mallikarjun Kharge have both written to the Prime Minister demanding a special session of the Parliament to instill hope.
नेता प्रतिपक्ष लोकसभा राहुल गांधी जी और कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष और नेता प्रतिपक्ष राज्यसभा मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी ने प्रधानमंत्री को एक खत लिखा है। कल रात को वो खत लिखा था कि संसद का, दोनों लोकसभा और राज्यसभा का विशेष सत्र बुलाया जाए। जो क्रूर आतंकी हमले हुए हैं पहलगाम को लेकर, जो स्थितियां पैदा हुई हैं, उस पर चर्चा हो। ये एकता का समय है, एकजुटता का समय है और खड़गे जी का मानना है, राहुल जी का मानना है कि एकता और एकजुटता प्रकट करने के लिए, साबित करने के लिए एक विशेष लोकसभा और राज्यसभा सत्र बुलाया जाए। हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि प्रधानमंत्री इस निवेदन को स्वीकारेंगे।
Isha is with us on the broadcast to get us more on this. Isha, you know, what's also interesting about the Congress party is while they have been questioning the government, simultaneously saying that they are with the government on action taken against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism, now they've asked for hope to be instilled in the country. But the question is hope going to be instilled with the kind of comments that the Congress party's leaders have been making one after the other?
Right, Shreya, this is not the time to politicize the current situation, is what all political parties have said. In fact, even Omar Abdullah inside the House session said that he will not be demanding statehood because this is not the time to politicize the issue. And now the Congress party, which is the main opposition party in the country, which has the most number of seats in the opposition, has come out and also demanded a special session. But if we look at the kind of tweet that the Congress party put out on the social media platform X, it is derogatory and disrespectful on so many levels, as to which the BJP has also come out and started reacting, stating that this is just mere hate politics, and this makes the Prime Minister look in poor light. In fact, the Congress has always been at the receiving end of a lot of flack for making unnecessary commentary. In fact, especially Rahul Gandhi, as he goes and as his comments on foreign soil are sometimes seen as against the nation and against the Prime Minister as well. But right now, the Congress's tweet is being taken in very poor taste by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and also the fact that there are several people who are very upset because of the tragedy. And again, questions are being raised on the Congress party. On one side, they're demanding a special session of the Parliament, and on the other side, they're making such mocking tweets. So again, their hypocrisy definitely coming to the fore. In fact, a lot of their leaders also making extremely contradictory statements here as well.
Yes, yes. Isha, thanks very much for joining us at the moment, getting us more of what Congress and its leaders have been saying. Viewers, remember, this is the same Congress party and the same Mallikarjun Kharge who criticized the Prime Minister for not attending the all-party meeting and then accusing him of going missing.
इस कठिन समय में हम सब एक होकर सरकार के जो भी एक्शन होंगे उसको हम कोऑपरेट करेंगे। लेकिन हमारी देश की बदकिस्मती है, सब पार्टी के लोग आए, लेकिन उस मीटिंग में मोदी जी नहीं आए। ये शर्म की बात है। देश के स्वाभिमान को जब धक्का हो रहा, आप बिहार में चुनावी भाषण करते हो और यहां पर दिल्ली में नहीं आ सकते आप। बात तो बड़े बड़े करते हो, मेरी 56 इंच आती है। ये ऐसा ये बीजेपी और प्रधानमंत्री का ये एटीट्यूड है।
Now, the Bharatiya Janata Party has called out what they claim is the double speak of the Congress party. Leaders from the BJP have pointed out how on one side the Congress has been undermining the terror fight, but they simultaneously also try to portray their nationalism through stunts like letter to the Prime Minister.
कांग्रेस पार्टी केवल पाकिस्तान की जुबान नहीं बोल रही है, बल्कि उनकी कार्य संस्कृति, उनके संस्कार, उनके रीति रिवाज भी पाकिस्तान की तरह हो चुके हैं। वैसे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी को हिटलर की मौत मरेगा, कब्र खुदेगी मोदी की, उनको डंडे से मारेंगे, 100 से 50 गालियां देने का काम भी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने किया है। पर कम से कम अब जब मुंह तोड़ जवाब देने की बात आ रही है, तो एक साथ खड़े रहने के बदले कांग्रेस पार्टी फिर से किस प्रकार का संदेश भेजना चाहती है। वोट बैंक के लिहाज से भी एक तरफ तो कांग्रेस पार्टी कहती है कि किसी का धर्म देखकर किसी को मारा नहीं गया, ये उसके कई बड़े नेता कहते हैं, और दूसरी तरफ कांग्रेस पार्टी ऑल पार्टी मीट में एक साथ एकजुट होने का दावा करती है।
My colleague Isha is with us on the broadcast. Isha, the BJP now responding to whatever the Congress leaders have been saying in the past few days. Those shocking remarks that have come one after the other from the Congress party, even as their own leader, Rahul Gandhi, of course, appeals for a session of the parliament, a special session